How to fix network error in CapCut PC. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started. So there's actually a couple of different options that you can try to do. And for example is like try and fix your Wi-Fi, because it might just be your Wi-Fi connection is too slow or too bad or something like that. So try and do that outside of your PC basically. And if that doesn't work, then you can, for example, try to completely delete CapCut and also maybe like log out of your account and try to log back in as well. This might actually fix it. So in order to delete CapCut, you want to go to the start menu, then to the settings, then to apps right over here. And then if you scroll a little bit down, you can see CapCut right over here. You want to go ahead and uninstall this. So if that doesn't fix, then I probably have the best solution for you. This is basically the only good solution left, and that is to get your hands on a VPN. Now, there are actually a lot of VPNs out there, and for those that don't know what it actually does, it allows you to change your online location to wherever you would like to in the world. So if you live, for example, in the UK, then you can change your location to the US, and you might have access to different websites and services. So in this case, you might live in a country where CapCut just isn't really available. The best VPN for this is actually ExpressVPN over here. And I have a direct link in the description, which will bring you over to this page if you would like to. Now, there's actually a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it for 1 month free, or you can actually grab a great deal, as you can see as well. There are also free VPNs out there, but it really just does not work as good or as fast as, for example, ExpressVPN is basically one of the best out there. So if you get your hands on this and change your location to, like I said, like a country in Europe or maybe the United States, then this will probably fix it for you. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.